In the previous videos, we learned how to create a basic panel web app and how to make it interactive using a button. In this video, we're going to take another important step and learn how to read user input and use it inside our application. First, let's start with a simple text input. This input allows the user to type their name into the application. At this stage, we're only focusing on collecting input, nothing more. We place this input inside our layout so it appears on the page with a title and a short description. Now let's run the application and see what happens. When you open the web address in your browser, you'll see a text field where you can type your name. You can write something, but notice that nothing else changes yet. That's because we haven't told our app what to do with this input. We're just displaying it for now. All right, now let's make this more useful. Next, we add a button to the page. This button gives the user control and clearly says, "I'm ready, submit my input." Along with the button, we also add an output area below it. This is where we'll show messages back to the user. Then we define what should happen when the button is clicked. When the user clicks the button, we check the value they typed into the input field. If a name was entered, we display a friendly welcome message using that name. If the input is empty, we show a warning message instead. Now we put everything together in our layout: the input field at the top, the button below it, and the output message at the bottom. Let's run the application again. When you open the web address this time, you'll see the full interface. Enter a name into the input field, click the button, and look at the message below. You'll see that the text updates instantly based on what you entered. This is a real interactive web app built using only Python. In the next video, we'll continue exploring the panel library and learn even more features to build richer and more powerful web applications. Let's keep going.